To get started, you'll need some acrylic nails and also a stand to paint your nails on. I got this from Amazon. You will also need some tacky putty. So here I am finding the perfect size nail for each of my fingers and then just sticking them onto each nail plate for painting. Make sure they're sticking pretty good to each nail so they don't fall off while you paint, because that would really suck. So here I found the brightest red nail polish I could find. It really doesn't matter which red you use, but preferably a bright red color stands out the best. So here I'm taking the nail polish and dabbing some of it onto the edge of a straw that I cut in half. The next part is the fun part. You get to do a quick blow out of the straw to project the nail polish onto the nail. It gives it a really cool blood splatter look. Just keep shooting as much as you want onto the nails until you think you have a good solid bloody splatter look. For this last bit, I'm applying OPI top coat to make a nice glossy finish look. You can use whatever top coat you have available. Once the nails are dry, you can remove them from the stand. To apply, I will be using Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue along with some double-sided nail glue tabs I got from Amazon. I will include links to everything in the video in the description. Before I apply any of my fake nails, I always use a protective coat of this. It is Nail Aide I got from Amazon as well. So here I am selecting which nail tab fits each nail the best and then just simply applying them and then pressing them down for about 3 seconds. Once the glue tabs are in place, you can remove the protective coating off of the tab, and then I put 2 drops, one at the top and one at the bottom of each nail, because that's where I tend to get the nail the loosest after some wear and tear. So make sure you get just enough glue on there. I usually count to 10 on each nail after putting the glue on and then the nail to make sure it's nice and secure. The blue tacky stuff was really making me work this time. It kept sticking to everything. So here I'm just doing my other hand. I'm repeating the same process as before. And there you have it, blood splatter nails for Halloween. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.